Naila Thani. And now, to talk about the importance of sustainability in the fashion industry, here's Naila Thani. A fashion and materials designer, Naila is currently teaching fashion and sustainability at VCUQ and is an artist-in-resident at Doha Fire Station, where her work explores themes of nature and biomaterials. She has won the Ellen MacArthur Foundation Circular Fibres Initiative in 2018 and was awarded the Sustainability Special Prize at the Textile for Social Good International Competition and the Mills Fabrica Sustainability Prize for her MA graduate project in 2019. In her speech, she will be exploring the fashion industry's impact on society and the environment.
We currently live in an ultra-fast, highly connected world where everything is a click and a purchase away. And although fast fashion presents many undeniable benefits, we cannot overlook the damage it causes to both the environment and society. In 2017, it was stated in the New Textiles Economy Report by the Ellen MacArthur Foundation that every second the equivalent of one garbage truck of textiles is landfilled or burnt. More than $500 billion of value is lost every year due to clothing underutilization and the lack of recycling, as well as 1.2 billion tons of greenhouse gas emissions produced annually by textile production, which is more than all international flights and maritime shipping combined. Clothing production has doubled in the last 15 years, which highlights how we overconsume fashion and regard it as disposable. And due to the drastically rapid increase of new trends being produced and sold, the world now consumes roughly 80 billion new clothing every year, and consumers tend to wear garments far fewer times before discarding them. Ultimately, most garments that end up in landfills today are underutilized. The definition of waste is the discarding of a processed item when it is no longer useful or required. We have surpassed this definition of waste by throwing away things that are still of use, that still work, even items that have never been worn or damaged. Fast fashion has trained consumers to expect fashion to be fast in its production, sale, delivery, and even in its discarding. The fashion industry is the leading polluter of water, air, and soil in the world. And textile dyeing alone is the second largest polluter of clean water globally. Every facet of the industry, from production and distribution to use and end life, is a significant contributor to the strain on natural resources and environmental pollution and destruction. And the linear system of take, make, and dispose has to change and become more circular and sustainable for the industry to sustain itself and to be less harmful to humans and the environment. And designers are change agents to move the industry into this new direction. As fashion quickly morphs into waste within this fast-paced, short-lived linear way of consumption, Siemens Seam is an MA graduate design project where I investigated garment longevity and sustainability through the use of alternative construction methods. For this project, I sought to create a garment without the use of stitching, as stitching created difficulty in taking clothes apart. Instead, the seams are attached using a biosynthetic protein strip that is 100% recyclable and biodegradable in collaboration with Tandem Repeat. As the strip can detach and reattach when needed and leaves no marks or damages on the fabric, it allows for quick and easy repair of tears and cuts, alterations, design change, and transformation. Creating a reversible seam assembly extends a garment's wearability, allows for wearer adjustability, and enables garment disassembly. The trench coat is assembled without the use of any stitching, and the seams, pockets can all be done, undone, and redone. The trench coat can also disassemble back into flat pattern pieces for recycling or to be recut into a new garment. And this project has won the Textile for Social Good International Competition's Special Sustainability Prize, as well as the Mills Fabrica Sustainability Prize. And through this project, I'm hoping to catalyze a debate surrounding how we construct, as well as demonstrate how we can do things differently.